Veeam Backup and Replication v12, Easier Disaster Recovery as a Service, DRaaS. With workloads covering more platforms that extend past on-premises data into service provider clouds, the public cloud and SaaS-based platforms, it's important to understand how to protect key workloads no matter where they reside. By breaking down your application workloads into levels of criticality, you can identify which ones need protecting at lower recovery point objectives, RPOs, and how quickly they need to be recovered, which is attached to the recovery time objectives, RTOs. Veeam's latest Continuous Data Protection (CDP) enhancements are a game-changer for DRaaS and allows small businesses and large enterprises to protect their workloads with low RPOs and minimal data loss. Not only does this address the current RPO/RTO requirements, but by leveraging Veeam Cloud and Service Provider (VCSP) partners, you have the flexibility to ensure that reliability isn't lost and that cost remains manageable. For on-premises workloads, the desire to drive RPOs down to seconds led us to develop VMware's vSphere APIs for I/O filtering. Veeam's CDP for VMware vSphere provides you with a new level of protection against critical data loss while ensuring business continuity. CDP replicas can be failed over at specific points in time as dictated by your configured RPO. By categorizing applications and workloads, organizations can create end-to-end policies against VMs that span from seconds, to minutes, to a point in time, to longer-term archiving. Configuring the CDP I/O filter on a new or existing vSphere cluster is done through a checkbox option under Veeam CDP Filter Management. With CDP, Veeam has achieved the concept of a short-term retention window, with RPOs that start as low as 2 seconds. Within this window, data is replicated based on configured RPOs and recovery is as simple as sliding back to a point in time within your retention window. With Veeam Backup and Replication v12, organizations can use a policy-driven approach to protect Tier 1 applications with per-second RPOs that stretch across a defined replication window. From there, those workloads can be recovered quickly and with minimal data loss that ensures your business continuity needs are met and your potential loss of reputation is avoided. For details, visit Stonefly website.